Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First step, select this layer clock and right mouse, breadcrumbs, add name clock, click OK. Let's back to main composition and let's make animation for this character and Moto. Let's select this clock, hide composition and select these whales, whale 2 and whale 1 and press R, make rotation keyframe and go to here and let's change this 25 and this 25. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's change 20 and this 20. Okay, so let's select this Moto layer. This is main object. And let's press P, make new position keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe, move to down, go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select keyframes, make easies, and hold Alt, click this icon, time icon, go to play button, property and loop out duration. Click this MP for done expression. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. Let's see. Okay, nice. So, select this Moto, hold Shift, press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation -1, and go to center here, change +1 and go to 10 keyframe again, change again -1. Select keyframes, make easies, press N. Let's see. Let's hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property and loop out duration. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast and let's change this rotation 0.3. Let's see. Okay, go to first keyframe, change -0.3 and select this keyframe, Ctrl C, go to last keyframe, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select this layer, Moto box, and link to Moto layer. Let's close these keyframes, select Moto, press U and select this Moto box, go to solo and move the anchor point here, click selection tool and on solo press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation -3 and go to here, change 2 and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and make keyframes easies. Let's see. Okay, let's hold Alt, click time icon again for loop animation, go to play button, property and loop out duration. Nice. So select this object and let's link to Moto body and let's go to solo, select palm behind icon, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and on solo press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's change this -2 and go to here, change 3 or change 1 and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, make keyframes easies and again hold Alt, click this icon, play button, property and loop out duration. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's close these keyframes and select this Moto box, press U for see keyframes and select these foots. Let's go to solo, select puppet pin tool. Let's make one puppet here, one here and one here. Click selection tool and change puppet engine legacy. Click OK. Go to window, open Dui Bezier 2 and click rigging icon. Then select this puppet, click bones, add bones, and we have 3 bones. Let's select this puppet pin 3, link to puppet pin 2, select puppet pin 2, link to puppet pin 1. Then select these 3 puppets, click auto rig IK. Okay, let's unsolo all these layers. Okay, let's see. Nice. And press P, make new position keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe. Let's move to up. Go to 10 keyframe again. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And select keyframes, make ease. And hold Alt, move to left. And let's hold Alt, click time icon. Go to play button, property, and loop out duration. Then select keyframes, hold Alt, move to left for fast animation. Okay, and let's select this foot layer puppet pin 1. Let's link to Moto layer. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's close keyframes and select these puppet pins. Click this icon and this icon for hide all layers. Then select body, go to solo and select palm behind, move the anchor point down, click selection tool and unsolo. Press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's change rotation 2 or 3 and go to here, change -3. Go to here, change 3. Let's press N, let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make ease and hold Alt, click this time icon, play button, property, and loop out duration. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's change this -2 and select this 2 and this 2. So select this here. Let's link to body and go to solo here. Let's select this palm behind, move to down, anchor point, click selection tool and unsolo. Let's see. Okay, select this eye black and eye white, link to here. Let's say again. Nice. And select this here, press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's change rotation like this and go to here, change like this. Go to again here, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select keyframes, make ease and hold Alt, click time icon, play button, property, and loop out duration. Okay, so let's select this hand 1 and go to solo. Let's select puppet pin and add 1 puppet here and 1 here, click selection tool and unsolo. Okay, and let's select this puppet engine, change legacy and click add bones and select puppet pin 1, link to puppet pin 2 and select these 2 puppets, click auto rig IK. Let's see. Okay, and select this puppet pin 1. Let's link to Moto layer. Let's see. Okay, nice. And select this puppet pin 2. Let's link to body. Okay, very nice. So select this hand layer 2, go to solo, select puppet pin, add 1 puppet here and 1 here, click selection tool, change puppet engine legacy and let's click add bones. Select puppet pin 2, link to puppet pin 1 and select these 2 puppets. Let's click auto rig IK, close tweak bezier window and let's unsolo these layers. So select this puppet pin 1, let's link to body and select puppet pin 2, let's link to Moto. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So select these layers, puppet tools and click this icon for hide layers. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.